Guys, in today's video, I'm going to be talking about Amazon Brand Registry. That what Amazon Brand Registry is, how you can just register your brand on Amazon, and I'm going to be discussing some benefits that you will get after registering your brand on Amazon. So this video will contain two parts. This is the part 1 of this video in which I'm going to be explaining you that what brand registry is and some of the basic features, some of the basic benefits that you will get after registering your brand on Amazon, like how brand registry will protect your brand from hijackers, how it will enable you to upload videos to your listing, and what is EBC content, and how you will be eligible after your brand registry to upload EBC content on your listing. So basically I'm going to be covering all the benefits of brand registry in this video, and in the second part of this video, which you can just watch from the link in the description below, I'm going to be explaining two possible methods of brand registry step by step, that how you can register your brand on Amazon and how you can avail all those features and all those benefits that are going to be discussed in this video. So if you are an Amazon seller or you are willing to start selling your products on Amazon, then this video will be too beneficial for you and you will get a lot of information about Amazon selling in this video. So keep on watching. But before getting started, I'm Uzair and I sell my products on Amazon, eBay, Shopify, ClickFunnels and Redbubble. And on this channel, I teach people like you that how you can do the same and build your online business. So if you are new here and if you like my content and if my content gives some real value to you, then make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel as well, so you can watch more videos like this. So without any further delay, let's start the video. So as you guys can see on your screens that I am on Amazon website. So let me start explaining you some of the benefits that you will get after registering your brand on Amazon. So for that, first of all, just search any product on Amazon. Garlic press. So the number one benefit you will get after registering your brand is your listing will be protected by hijackers. So you can see on Amazon that sometimes some hijacker may attach to your listing and they will start selling the same product as yours on your listing. And also if they win the buy box, so they can just take a good amount of your sales to their account. So in that case, if any hijacker attached to your listing and your brand is registered on Amazon, so you can just move that hijacker by simply doing one email to Amazon, and then they will remove that hijacker from your listing and your listing will be protected. But in case if your brand is not registered on Amazon, so it will be little hard for you to protect your listing against that hijacker, and it will be little hard for you to prove to Amazon that this brand belongs to you and this name and this trademark belongs to you, because you will not having any document of that. So if you don't want anyone to sell on your listing, so you must have a brand registry. So let's just see that how on one listing more than one FBA seller are selling their products. So if we scroll down here, we can see that on this listing there are 2 FBA sellers, and on this listing there are only one FBA, and on this listing there are 4 FBA sellers. If we open this listing, we can see there are more than one FBA seller. There are total 4 FBA sellers selling their products on this listing. So the reason I'm showing you this listing is that you can understand that it is possible for multiple sellers to sell on one listing. So that doesn't mean that this brand is not having a brand registry. Maybe this brand Camry is a big brand and all these sellers that are already selling on this listing might get permission of brand reselling from their brands. That's why they are having these sellers on their listing. Otherwise, they can just remove these sellers within a day because they are having their brand registered on Amazon. So now the benefit number 2, you can just upload video to your listing. Because as you know, in online selling, the more product information you give to your customer, the more chances of sales you will get. If your title is optimized, if your bullet points are great, if your description defines your product correctly and it is reader friendly and SEO friendly, and your images are good and your video is also good. So all this information you are giving to your customer increase the high chances of sales. So if you can upload a video of your product, like you can just prepare a video by yourself, or you can just hire a freelancer or videographer to make your product video for you, and in that video you will explaining your product and what your product is, how that product solves your problem and how to use that product. So that video will attract your customer and then you can get a high chances of sales. So let's see how this brand upload their videos. So you can see there are 7 images of their product on their listing, and at the end you can see a video. So when we click on this video, we can see the video starts playing, and in this video they are showing their product and they are also telling that how you can use their product and how this product is beneficial for you. So if your customers see the video on your listing, that will increase your credibility. So if we see another listing of garlic press, we can see there they are having only 7 images but they are not having a video. If you provide a video, a great quality video to your customer, then chances of getting sales will be too much high. So the third benefit of brand registry is EBC content. You can call it enhanced branded content. So when you go on any listing, what content you will see? You can see some images, you can see a video, you can see a title, which is SEO optimized title and it is a readable title. And you can see 5 bullet points which looks great, and when you read those points you can just understand the quality of that product. And when you go down there, you can see a part of product description, and all that stuff like product photography, product videos, title, thumbnail, description, and bullet point are the stuff that attracts your customer to your listing, and chances of getting orders will be high. Because if any person comes to your listing, they will see some good images, the title, and the description and bullet points are too readable that they can just understand all things about your product after reading that, so they will be more likely convinced to purchase your product. So let's just take a look on this description, and you can see there's a main image on the description, and when we go down there are 3 images, and below these 3 images they have explained something about these images in text. And when we go down here again we can see 3 images, and these images are explaining us that how we can use this product in just 3 steps. So in step number 1 we can just put a garlic in the tool, and in step number 2 we can just push it, and in step number 3 we can just crush it. So all this information, this video, this title, these bullet points and this description explain everything to me about that product that I must need to know before placing the order. So let's just take a look on another listing which is not having a cool description like this. So let's just go to this one, and when we go down we can just see a simple line of text in the part of product description. So you can see that they are saying without the garlic flake directly on the filter, even slight pressure can pressure the delicious garlic. So they are having only one line of text in their description part. So tell me honestly, if you are a buyer, from which listing you will prefer to place an order? On that one that is having a good description with images and explaining all the concept about the product, or from this listing which are not having any description, which are not having any good images or something else? So the content is one of the main factor that brings sales. And when you advertise your product on Amazon through PPC ad campaigns, so we can see the example of a PPC here. We can see all these products are sponsored. You can see sponsored, sponsored, sponsored. So they are just sponsoring their products on PPC, but they are different from this ad. So you can see that this product is having the video on their sponsored ad. So all those sellers are running their PPC campaign on only product, but this seller is having their brand registered, so they can use their video in their PPC ad campaign. So the advertise with video can convert more than the advertise only having images. So when you run your PPC ad campaign on videos, you can just get very good conversion rate and very good ACOS as compared to those PPC campaign not having video. So in that way you can just a less amount of money on your PPC campaign and you can get some good amount of sales against that money. So brand registry will help you a lot in that as well. And if you're a beginner and you don't know that how you can run a PPC ad campaign for your product, or you're currently your ad campaign and you're not getting that results, so you can just watch my videos about Amazon PPC campaign, that how you can set up your PPC campaign and how you can run these campaign effectively to get more and more sales. You can just find the link of those videos in the description below. So make sure to go there and watch it. And the fourth and most important benefit of brand registry is Amazon Wine program. So Amazon Wine program is a program in which you can just register yourself and you can just get access of 30 plus best reviewers of Amazon to purchase your product and review your product. So in that way you can just get some initial reviews on your product, which are very important to get sales. So when you go to Amazon Seller Central and then just click on advertising and then click on wine. So from there you can just enroll your product for Amazon Wine program and you can just get some initial review from Amazon Best Reviewer. And if you want to know more about Amazon Wine program, that how you can register for it and how it will give benefits for you, so you can just go on my Amazon playlist and watch my Amazon Wine program video, in which I explain you many methods that how you can just get fast review on Amazon. So that's it for today guys. I hope you enjoyed the video and learned a lot from that. And if you want to know that how you can register your brand on Amazon, so there are 2 ways. One way is a regular way, but it can take up to 9 to 12 months to register your trademark and brand. And the other way is Amazon IP Accelerator program, which will cost you a little high, but you can just get this brand registry process done in 20 days. So if you want to know that how you can proceed with these programs step by step, so you can just watch the part 2 of this video. You can find the link in the description below. So go there and watch that part and register your brand today on Amazon to avail all these benefits discussed in this video. So I hope you like the video. If you really like my content and you find it helpful, so make sure to subscribe our channel to watch more videos like this. Because I myself is an online seller and I sell my products on Amazon, eBay, Shopify, ClickFunnels and Redbubble. And on this channel I teach people like you that how you can do the same and build your online business. And I share all the tips, tricks and strategies that I learned during my e-commerce journey, and I share all these tips free of cost with you guys on this channel. So keep on watching. And don't forget to check the description of this video and all of my videos, because in my every video I put some useful link for you guys. So make sure to like the video and keep on watching.